Your business is like a plant. It can only grow as big as the container you provide. If your business is being restricted by dead zones, interference, and security concerns that come from traditional Wi-Fi, it may be time to look for another solution. 1Finity's private wireless solution delivers robust coverage, enhanced security, and seamless mobility. Our solution includes an all-in-one kit that's easy to set up and includes a centralized management platform that easily integrates with your existing systems and equipment. 1Finity's private wireless solution takes your business to the next level when Wi-Fi isn't strong enough. We give you an efficient, reliable network that can handle IoT devices, RFID tracking, and sensors. Our services are available a la carte or as full turnkey service. Visit our website to learn more about how 1Finity private wireless solutions can help your business blossom and thrive.